Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I am going to show you how you can see the first message you have sent on Instagram in a conversation. So let's jump right into it. Open your Instagram account, go to the messaging option, and here I'm just choosing a random conversation right here. Let's choose another one with more messages in it. Okay, so let's say I have this conversation and I want to see the first message I have sent, but I don't want to scroll up so more because it takes a long time. So what you have to do, but first I have to tell you that this all works only on iPhone. I have an Android phone. It is not going to work for me, but if you have an iPhone phone, it is going to work just fine. So as you can see at the upper right corner, I have here the Wi-Fi button and the battery button. So what you have to do is just press the Wi-Fi icon and the battery icon at the same time, and this is going to scroll all the way up to the first message from our conversation. So as I told you, if you press the Wi-Fi and battery icon at the same time, it is just going to scroll up to the first message of the conversation. But as I've been telling you, this only works for iPhone, not for the Android phones. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.